So kindly start writing the answer for number 5. Write the answer for number 5. And number 5 is verb forms. Number 5 is verb forms. It was homework. I got the answer from Odai and Chihawi. From Najib. From Yahya. Yusuf Asakir. From Al Walid and Yusuf Suwalam and Aisha. Okay. Still Hussam. I got it from Rahaf and Hussam. Okay, perfect. All of you got it right. All of you got it right. Let's have a look at the answer itself to find out why the answer is C. As you can find that here we are working with consistency. So produced is past, will produce future, produces present, is producing present continuous. I'm going to look at the sentence to have the consistency of the verb, except that we have keywords in the sentence itself or the part itself. You said the Japanese loquat tree, which is present, native to East Asia, has present, shiny leaves and yellow flowers. It, a resin that is present, used to create a durable and shiny finish on various objects such as furniture, decorated pieces, and even musical instrument. The resin is present. Thank you. All of the things here show that it's present. So I'm going to take the present produces and it is singular. So we're going to take S with the verb. Let's go to number 6. Write the answer in the chat box. Also verb forms. I got the answer from Yusuf Suwalam and Oday. From Najib and Shihawi. From Yusuf Asakir and Aisha. From Rahaf and Yahya. From Al Walid and Hussam. Okay. Unfortunately, one only that got this as a mistake. Let's find out. Again, number 6 is verb forms. We have here will have been measuring. It's a future perfect continuous. Future perfect continuous. Let me mention continuous here. Measures present, had measured past perfect, would have measured. It's a model verb. Is a model verb. Will come with if, with the cases of if that I wrote it here. Okay, let's find. Let's find. Here he said, in recent years, economists around the world have created present perfect new tools that quantify present. So now I have present perfect and present. The overall well-being of the country's citizen. Economists in India, for example, use present and ease of living index. This tool, thank you, I have present perfect, present, present. So I have to bring it in that kind. So it's not past, it's not this one because we don't have if. The case of if is no future perfect continuous. So it's present, measures. Clear, Oday?
Yes.
Okay. Let's go to number 7. Possessive. Number 7, possessive. I got the answer from Uday and Yusuf Swelam, from Najib and Shihawi, from Aisha and Yusuf Asakir, from Hussam and Rahaf, waiting for Yahya. I got it from Yahya. Al-Walid still also. Al-Walid, I didn't get your answer for number 7. Okay. All of you got it right. All of you got it right. Let's have a look here at number 7. Do you remember when I told you possessive that we must have two nouns that come after each other? If there is between them a verb or an adjective, I'm sorry, a verb or a preposition, we can put apostrophe s or s apostrophe for the word that come before. Okay, I have moon and I have gravitational pull. Gravitational is an adjective. This is an adjective, I'm sorry. And this is the noun. No problem. I don't care about the adjective. It will not affect me. So I need apostrophe s or s apostrophe. So I'm going to cancel B and D. Now I'm between A, that is plural, and C, that is singular. So I have to read to find indicator that it's singular plural. He said Earth is not a perfect circle due to the what? Gravitational pull. Wait, teacher. You are talking about the Earth. And we know the Earth has only one moon. And if you read the rest, you're going to find that it's talking only about one moon. So it's going to be singular, as you mentioned. Let's go to number 8. Number 8, verb forms. Verb forms. But can be solved easily by odd one out. I got the answer from Najib, from Oday, from Yusuf Suelam and Yahya, from Shihawi and Al-Walid, from Aisha and Hussam, from Yusuf Asakir and Rahaf, okay, unfortunately, we have two that they got this as a mistake. I don't know why, except that it's level 1. Depth of knowledge, level 1. Let's have a look at number 8. To join, it's not a verb. It's infinitive. It's not a verb. Joining is a verb. Joined is a verb. Joins is a verb. So all of them are verbs except A. So I want to be sure that I need a verb or not. He said in 1990, California native and researcher Elena Ocha left the verb. Her position as a chief of the Intelligent System Technology branch at the NASA Research Center. Okay, we don't need another verb. We don't need another verb. She left to join. She left to join. The odd one out. Level 1. Clear, Aisha?
Yeah, mister, but in the sentence it's in 1990, which is also like a hint that it's in the past.
Yeah, but he right here the verb in the past. We don't need another verb. This is a simple sentence, Aish. Simple sentence. It has only one subject and one verb. Do you believe that?
Yeah, okay.
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 Oday, clear?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Let's go to number 9. Again, we come to the possessive. Again, we come to the possessive. I got the answer from Oday and Najib and Yusuf Suilam. From Yusuf Asakir and Aisha. From Shihawi. From Husam and Al Walid. From Yahya. Okay, Aisha changed. From Rahaf. Okay, unfortunately, we have only one that got this as a mistake. Let's find out. Let's find out. This again possessive, so we need two nouns after each other. The first noun we're gonna put apostrophe s or is apostrophe. As you can find here, we have after the space of is a preposition. So we can't put before it apostrophe s or is apostrophe. So I'm gonna cancel this. I'm gonna cancel this. Now we are between B and C. Now we have two nouns. Photographers, noun, photos, noun. Early is an adjective. So photographer must be with apostrophe S or S apostrophe. Also level 1. Yusuf Asakir, clear? Yusuf Asakir,
Yes,
clear?
clear.
Okay. Let's go to number 10. And number 10, easy. Subject, verb agreement. And also we can use the odd one out. We can use the odd one out. I got the answer from Najib and Aisha. From Al Walid and Yusuf Suilam. From Shihawi and Yahya. From Uday. From Husam and Rahaf. Yusuf Asakir, still, you didn't write for me the answer. From Yusuf Asakir. Okay. Only one that got this as a mistake. Again, it's level 1, wallah. It's level 1. I don't know why you're getting it as a mistake. We just stumble on the things that they are easy. Has. When you have a phrasal verb, look at the first part. Has is singular. Enable plural is singular. Enables singular. So A, C, and D singular. The only one that is plural is B. I want to be sure that the subject is plural. Tools. Enable. Tools. Enable. Clear, Shawi?
Yeah.
Okay. Yusuf Asakir, you wrote another answer. This for what? Yusuf Asakir. Hello.
Yes, mister, can you hear me?
Yes. What the answer that you wrote it after B? You wrote A. This way for which question?
Yeah, mister, when you said again, I thought that I remistaked another
Ugh,
question. So
ugh,
I changed
ugh,
that.
ugh. People
انت
that they
حطيتني
are
مثلا.
not have any kind of self-esteem. Believe in yourself. If you are
I do
applying
يا
the
mister.
rule, believe in yourself, ya Yusuf. Okay. Number 11. Again, verb forms. Again, it's level 1. Wallah, level 1. Level 1. You can solve it by elimination, but it's related to verb forms. I got the answer from Najib and Oday. From Yusuf Suwailam and Al Walid. From Aisha and Rahaf. From Yusuf Asakir. Still many people. From Husam. Where's Shihawi? Where is Yahya? Shihawi and Yahya still thinking. I got it from Yahya. Waiting for Shihawi. Okay, Alhamdulillah, this question, no one got it as a mistake. It's easy, as I told you, it's level 1. If we're going to have a look here, we're going to find that suspending, it's not a verb. Suspended is a verb. To suspend is not a verb. To have suspended is not a verb. This is participial or gerund. This is infinitive. But this is the only that can be a verb. Now I'm going to look at the sentence to find out that we need a verb or not. He said here he applied bold. Okay, the verb. Saturated hues. Wait. There is another verb. There is another verb. To large canvases. And there's X, comma, Y, comma, and Z. And we know that X must be like Y, must be like Z. So verb, verb. So here also a verb. Question number 12. Again, no, subject verb agreement, odd one out. Subject verb agreement. Why all the questions are level 1? Subject verb agreement, level 1. I got the answer from Najib. Al Walid, you write Z. From Uday and Yusuf Suilam. From Aisha and Yusuf Asakir. From Yahya and Rahaf. From Al Walid. Still Shihawi. Okay, from Shihawi. Still Husam. It's easy. It's easy. It doesn't need all that time. With a blink of eye, we can find it. Husam, waiting for your answer. Where are you, Husam? all the time to find the answer? Who's your teacher? Who's your sad teacher? We need to kill him. Sam, you overslept? Hello, Sam. I don't think that you can hear me. يا عم حسام. One time, just leave the internet and start going anywhere. Hassan, hello. سام.
الو الو معلش.
معلش يا عم. معلش يا معلش.
انا كنت بفتح الباب لابراهيم.
انت وابراهيم هتتضربوا. Solve number 12.
حاضر.
Okay. So unfortunately, we have only one that got this as a mistake. And this one, I'm gonna deal with him. عارفينه طبعا. As you can find here, remain singular, remain plural, have plural, are plural. So all of them plural except the singular. Let's find the main subject. Where is it? Is it Arrhenius equation? Equation is the subject. Why is not here? Because this is a modifier. Equation remains. يا عم يوسف هساكر.
باي باي يا مستر سوري.
ايه يا عم في ايه؟
معلش يا مستر، الإنسان خطاء عادي يعني.
ما انسان خطاء في حاجه في هايف مش هايفه، لكن دي هايفه يا يوسف. معنى كده اللي احنا
يا
عندنا.
مستر in 1899 يا مستر.
انا مالي ب 1899 يوسف؟ ما احنا نركز كده، احنا عندنا verb forms وعندنا subject verb agreement يا حبيبي. ده subject verb agreement اهو. هو نفس الفيرب بس واحد في السنجلر وثلاثه في البلورال. اوعى يا يوسف، ده انا كده قلبي تجيب لي سكته قلبيه.
لا يا مستر ما اقدرش.
ماشي يا يوسف. The last question number 13. ده كده verb forms يا يوسف. ده كده verb forms. مفيش singular plural. ليه؟ لأن will invent can be used for both. had invented can be used for both. is inventing singular? invent singular. So this is verb forms. تبص بقى هنا بقى دلوقتي. I got the answer from Odaya and Aisha. والله العظيم هتتضرب يا يوسف، وعز الجلال هتتضرب. From نجيب and يوسف سويلم. هنقول ده مش verb forms يا يوسف. ده كده بقى اللي خلاص. I'm sorry، ده مش subject verb agreement، ده is verb forms. يعني انت بصيت على اللي فوق وقلت لي ان 18 مش عارف ايه، ورحت عملت لي كذا، وهنا ما بصيتش على ان 18 81. حرام يعني.
ما يا مستر عدلتها يا مستر.
ماشي يا عم يوسف. ماشي يا عم يوسف. بعد كده تحضر لي حضور يا يوسف عشان ايه؟ اقدر املص لك ودانك. From Najib. From يوسف سويلم. From يوسف عساكر and يحيى. From شهاوي and حسام. Where is الوليد? Where is Rahaf?
I sent it. Yes.
You send it. Let me check again. الوليد and Rahaf. Okay. No mistake in this one. It's an easy one. Again, it's verb forms. So, is inventing present perfect? How present perfect? خلتوني حتى كنت نايم بيننا وانا هنا. Is present continuous. Will invent future. Had invented past perfect. Invents present. So, let's find the consistency. He said in 1881, so past. French chemist Camel for redesigned past. The rechargeable lead acid battery. For design greatly increased past. The amount of electricity that the original battery, which the French physics Gaston Planté. So I need something in past. And he said 15 years earlier, nothing in past except had invented. Past perfect. So the answer is C. I'm not going to give you the test today. And we don't have homework. Friday is off. But for June people, they have Saturday. And for Yusuf Asakir and Najib, they have a session before the session of the group. Okay, so see you next time. Good luck. Goodbye.
Thank you, Mr.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mr. Bye.
Bye.